Hi everyone, this is Zahid Ahmed and you should catch this episode of Something Hot जहां हम ओरिजिनलिटी को अलविदा कहेंगे.
Ordinary Sameer and Ishzahe Naseeb to playing a very ordinary man, a very Aam Aadmi Shahan in Mohabbat Tujhe Alvida. Zahid Ahmed has proven that he's got incredible range as an actor. He's also proven that he has incredible chemistry with his co-star Sonia Hussain. इन दोनों ड्रामों में हमने उनको इकट्ठा देखा. शायद इसीलिए कुछ हज़म नहीं हो रहा कि एक आदमी को अपनी बीवी से इतना प्यार है, सो एक और औरत से प्यार इश्क कैसे कर रहा है. So we've got lots of questions for Zahid today regarding Mohabbat Tujhe Alvida, regarding his YouTube channel, regarding his thoughts on dramas these days. Let's have a word. Zahid.
Hi Amna.
How are you?
I'm good. How are
You seem very nervous.
No, I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah.
I'll just jump right into the deep end. Can a man love two women at the same time?
Yeah. I mean, from a psychological point of view, or if we talk about the natural design of man, the way God has made us, I think a lot of men will find themselves at least attracted to a lot of other women. They might not act on it. Whereas, I mean, I don't want to open a can of worms, लेकिन मज़हब भी शायद इसीलिए इजाज़त देता है.
हाँ.
Because इसके बजाय कि आप infidelity करें और you get into a kind of a promiscuous lifestyle, तो उससे बेहतर है कि आप अगर affection इतनी ज़्यादा है आपके अंदर जिसको आप देना चाहते हैं और एक से शायद वो return ना मिल रहा हो, तो then men start looking here and there. I think that's what happened to Shahan. He obviously loved his wife.
Still does,
Still
actually.
does,
Yeah.
and never wanted to get into this position, did he?
Yeah.
He was the one refuting it and denying
Absolutely.
it.
And he really tried and worked hard कि ये नहीं हो.
Yeah. और फिर जब आप ये देखें कि आगे से हरकतें क्या हुई जब एक खातून कह भी रही हैं, ऑफिस में भी ड्रामा कर रही हैं, गिरबान पकड़ रही हैं, अपनी जान लेने की कोशिश कर रही हैं. सो वो उस बेचारे सीधे साधे बोंगे से आदमी को फिर सोचने पे मजबूर किया. माँ उसकी घर बैठी हुई करिए कि बेटा तेरा क्या चाहता है कि बत्ती मोहब्बत करिए. Which I think were the more unrealistic aspects in that drama. I don't think a mother would ever tell her son that बेटा वो कर लो.
True.
So, I mean, this should lead us into the other discussion of what kind of a person Shahan is.
जी.
So he's बेचारा, he's a simpleton, he's a straight arrow.
He's a straight arrow.
He's a straight arrow. He's just caught up in this situation
So,
and reacting.
we've been talking about this a lot, that is it even fair to ask actors about the characters that they've been given? But then I feel that when an actor signs up for a role, in a way, for that period of time when you're on air, you need to take ownership of the character, right? Right. So, but having said that, Shahan is a pretty solid character. उसने मतलब बहुत resist किया और फिर resistance के बाद उसने किया. इस एपिसोड में जिसने हरकत की वो समझ नहीं आई, वो शायद आप उस पर रोशनी डालें.
क्या किया उसने?
उसने जो अपनी बीवी को बाहर से उठा के और दूसरी बीवी के साथ डाल दिया.
I actually don't remember this. We've shot Mohabbat Tujhe Alvida
जी.
parallel to Ishq Zahe Naseeb.
Really?
It's the same year, it's the same months.
Oh God.
That's why my appearance is also the same in both plays.
हाँ.
So I'll have, and I'm not watching
Currently
the episodes. I'm
on
not
air.
up to date.
Right.
But I do remember, I think, अब एक बेड में दोनों के साथ
हाँ
हम.
जी.
That's him trying to get out of a sticky situation. वो इस कदर confused है अभी भी मंशा के कैरेक्टर के प्यार को अपना लेने के बाद भी उसको नहीं समझ आती वो कदम कहाँ रखे कि ये वाली उलझेगी और वो वाली उलझेगी. Now picking up Shafaq and bringing her to himself is a statement in itself.
Yeah.
Picking her up and then letting her be on her own, and going to Mancha's character, will he knows that will set Sonia on fire.
तो उसने कहा दोनों को ही
ये साथ सोचा मैं वो खुद जाके कहाँ सोता है इस वक्त कहीं और?
ये हमें नहीं पता
नहीं दिखाया,
ये
अच्छा,
नहीं हमें पता लेकिन आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि या हादी के साथ या कहीं
हाँ,
सोफे
probably
पे बाहर
बेटे के साथ सो रहे हैं।
या
Yeah,
सो इट वाज प्रीटी ऑड हमने काफी मजाक भी उड़ाया इस चीज का
शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत।
जो शफक के साथ वो कहता है मुझे मोहब्बत थी पहले तो अपनी उल्फत से अब मुझे इश्क हो गया है व्हाट ड्राइव्स दैट इश्क आई मीन इज इट द फैक्ट दैट इफ अ वुमन इज सो परसिस्टेंट इन हर एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ लव कि यहाँ तक कि वो सुसाइड भी करने को तैयार है इज दैट इनफ कॉज फॉर अ मैन टू सॉर्ट ऑफ से कि हाँ यार मुझे इश्क है
That's enough to influence a man.
इट इज
Yes.
It is.
Enough even to throw him off balance.
राइट
और अपने वैल्यू सिस्टम और अपनी थिंकिंग को भी डिस्टर्ब कर दे। अब अगर हम उसको इस तरह से देखें कि नॉट वेरी वेल टू डू मिडिल टू लोअर क्लास घराना पूरे ज़िंदगी का महवर ही उनका पैसे के इर्द गिर्द है। अब वो भी शहान का कभी नहीं था। पैसा वाज नॉट हिज ड्राइविंग फोर्स, इट दैट वाज सोनियाज ग्रीड एंड ऑल।
ऑलवेज
So Shahan was very happy with his loving wife and mine, beta घर पे and all of that. So he's just this, fish out of water वाली situation में है वो, जहाँ पे सोनिया उसको push कर रही है कि भाई तुम कर लो, मैं इजाज़त दे रही हूँ. So it's him forming new brain cells that he never had, and he doesn't have many. He's not. That's the way I've played him. Because
Right.
otherwise, why would somebody be forced into this situation?
Right.
अगर मैं जाहिद की बात करूँ या समीर की बात करूँ तो वो तो आगे से चपेट लगाएगा कि साइड पे जाके बैठ जाओ, मैंने शादी नहीं करनी।
बिल्कुल
But he's not those people, and you were very right. Taking ownership of a character that you sign on means that you sign on with all the flaws
Right.
and all the weaknesses.
Right.
He doesn't need to be a person with wisdom and taking all the
No,
right
no, of course
decisions.
not, of course
उसकी
not.
गलतियाँ उसकी हैं, उसका सब कुछ अपना है, आपने सिर्फ उसको convincingly play करना है।
बिल्कुल that's very true. It's very interesting that you said कि दोनों साथ साथ चल रहे थे ड्रामे because I mean the characters are poles apart.
Yeah.
So I mean did you sort of see what kind of a character you were signing up for? You must have read the script and everything.
Yeah,
Are
of
you
course.
happy with your choice?
I'm very happy with the choice, with the performance, with the way we've executed this. I put my heart and soul into it, just like I do with every other character.
Right.
And Sonia has also worked so hard.
Sonia is very good.
Yeah, और इसका बहुत मुश्किल shoot था. Honestly, I'll tell you, I don't want to get into the technical details with both the audience, but मतलब time frames were through the window. हम सुबह 5 बजे तक हमने shots किए हैं, सब कुछ. We were stretched for time. और again, because like you correctly said in the beginning that from a complex character like Samir to a simpleton like Shahan, तो वो मेरा हमेशा से criteria यही है कि number one, I look at the character. If it's something that pushes my boundaries, then I'm fine with it, even if the overall story is not magnificent.
Right.
I'll bank on my character.
Right.
If the character is nothing special, then I'll bank on the story.
Right.
कि स्टोरी ऐसी होनी चाहिए जो ऑडियंस ओवरऑल एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
Right.
खैर है अगर मेरे पास कोई बहुत इस वक्त कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर नहीं है। सो दैट वाज माय चॉइस एंड आई स्टिक टू माय चॉइस। आई डू फील अ लिटिल let down because initially when it was offered to me, वो जो सारा कॉपी शॉपी वाला सिलसिला
No,
था।
I was coming to that the story, I mean, it's an odd story for Pakistan to begin with.
Yeah.
But then it's जुदाई completely. अभी तक उसमें सिर्फ ये फर्क था कि that Hinduism doesn't allow you two wives at the same time. So he had to
Right.
divorce the first wife to
Oh.
marry the second.
Okay.
And they live in the same house, but he divorces the first wife.
Oh God.
Here he's
Why are they still living in the same house then?
because she's like Shafak.
अच्छा.
Janvi, who's Anil Kapoor's second wife, is you
Right.
haven't seen the film.
I don't see.
Okay.
I don't want to talk too much about this, but I will tell you this कि जब मुझे ऑफर हुआ था from the writer and producer, they did say कि इसकी एक लॉग लाइन या एक प्लॉट लाइन से हमने इंस्पिरेशन ज़रूर ली है कि वो अपने मियाँ को बेच देगी पैसों के लिए। ये एक चीज़ हमने इंस्पिरेशन ली और उसको अडाप्ट किया है ओवर 25-30 एपिसोड्स एंड दैट मेक सेंस टू मी यार कि आप एक 2-2.5 घंटे की मूवी को कितना ही वो कर लोगे,
खींचेंगे,
तो ऑब्वियसली आपका कंटेंट अपना होगा। लेकिन किसी चीज़ से इंस्पिरेशन लेना और उसको अडाप्ट करना, दैट्स फाइन, दैट
Yeah.
हैपेंस एवरीवेयर। लाइक आई लव द कलर ऑफ योर टॉप राइट नाउ, मैं इस इंस्पिरेशन लेके इसकी बेडशीट बनवा लूँ या कर्टन बनवा लूँ, तो मैंने अडाप्ट किया है। लेकिन मैं इसको अगर ऐसा बनाऊं कि उसका पहला टीजर टीवी पे चले और पूरा मुल्क बोल उठे कि
बोल
जुदाई
उठे कि-
जुदाई,
Yeah.
तो देन यू हैव कॉपीड।
Yes.
That I didn't sign on for. I
Right.
never sign on. I never would want to टेक पार्ट इन अ प्लेजराइज्ड प्ले, या इतना जिसको ऑडियंस यूं करके पहचान रही है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So that was a real downer for me. And
Right.
मतलब मेरा ये काम तो नहीं है कि मुझे जो भी ड्रामा ऑफर होगा तो मैं पहले बॉलीवुड की हर बनी हुई फिल्म उठा के देखूं कि इससे से कोई चीज़ कॉपी हुई है नहीं हुई. एंड आई एम नॉट अ बॉलीवुड फैन, आई हैव सेड दिस मेनी मेनी टाइम्स. मुझे अमिताभ और विनोद खन्ना के ज़माने तक सिनेमा बहुत अच्छा लगता था, और अब जो इंडियन सिनेमा आया है नया, न्यू ब्लड, वो मैं देखता हूँ. ये वाला एरा मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं देखा. आई हैव नो फैसिनेशन विद बॉलीवुड सिनेमा उस तरह से.
Right, right.
एंड मोर टू द पॉइंट कि हमारा ड्रामा तो हमेशा यूनिक रहा है.
Absolutely.
हमारे ड्रामे को कभी भी जरूरत नहीं रही किसी
नहीं,
चीज को
नहीं.
कॉपी करने
That
की.
is the sad part actually.
Yeah, so that thought never entered my mind. I was fine that ठीक है आपने इंस्पिरेशन ले लिया, then adapt it, ना change it.
हाँ.
अब हर एपिसोड पे मुझे ये सुनने को मिल रहा है कि ये भी हुआ था फिल्म में, ये भी हुआ था. Then you've lied to me, and you know I've kind of let my audience down in
But
that
sadly
way.
हुआ था, like the whole kitchen setup and the whole. It's
I don't know,
but
man.
let's
I
not
just,
get into
yeah,
it.
let's not get into
Let's
it.
get not get into it. I think you're one of those actors who people trust for their
Yeah.
choices, you know, and they look
Yes.
up to for.
Absolutely.
ये अगर you and somebody like, for example, Sabaa Kamar, आपको पता है कि वो कुछ साइन करेंगी तो उसमें कोई
कुछ देखने
metal
को
होगा.
मिलेगा.
There has to be
Absolutely,
some substance
absolutely.
to the role. So they
Absolutely.
don't expect you to
And
do
you know
like.
what really hurt me and sort of why I've distanced myself from talking too much about the project is that when I posted the first teaser on my platform, very excitedly, और जब उसके सामने ये comments आना शुरू हुए हैं, तो I called the producer director, who's the same guy, and I said, आप देख रहे हैं ये क्या आ रहा है ये? And the response I got was कि ठीक है ना जानी, controversy है, देखेंगे लोग, मजा आएगा, तू क्या copy है? So
So
फिर
was
मैंने
quite unapologetic about it.
Yeah, I mean, I was like, okay, so then are we owning up to the fact that this is a copy? If
Copy.
you are owning up to the fact, then tell the team and we'll all own up.
Yeah.
That's why I very sarcastically put it on my Instagram story कि ये तो copy निकला. Because knowingly I would have never signed this. But I signed it. So it's whether I didn't do due diligence or not, audience has been let down. The only thing I can, you know, bank on is कि चलो फिर भी मैंने performance दिल से दी है. That's pretty much
I
it.
don't think they're let down by you at all. I think they're let down by the fact that it's such a blatant copy and nobody kind of sort of, you know.
And why?
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 There was no
हमारा
need for
ड्रामा
it.
उनसे 100 साल आगे हैं, उनकी फिल्म हमसे आगे, ठीक है.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
पर आपने अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को क्यों गंदा किया आपने?
True, true, true. Absolutely. What's happening now, Zahid? I mean, ये दोनों तो ड्रामे तो हो गए. You're obviously working on something these days.
Yeah, I am. I'm shooting a new one for ARY.
Okay.
It's tentatively called Faryad. And the play is centered around me, and I'm a hateable guy in that play.
You're a hateable guy.
Yes, I'm
So
playing
anti-hero.
anti-hero, yeah.
Okay.
He's a greedy, scum of the earth kind of a person. No moral compass.
Okay.
Nothing of the sort.
Right.
आग लगाता जा रहा है और सबको राख करता चला जा रहा है.
Yikes. Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the rest of the cast?
So this time they've tried a new formula. I have two leading ladies. Both are relatively new. One is Aiza Awan.
Okay.
She's a newcomer. She has done some work before. And the other is Nawal Said. She's also done a little bit of work before. Both very good performers. I was very happy to work with them. And it was a good experience to work with, you know, this is something also I've never done before. I've always had a great actress to you know, bounce off of.
Yeah.
So this was a good experience. The only thing I can say is वो इतना कमीना है, उतना horrible है वो आदमी. उसमें आप कहीं भी कोई ठीक चीज़ नहीं ढूंढेंगी. So eventually his entire story is a lesson for everybody about things that you can't do and shouldn't do and should never do. So
It
it's
just brings us to another aspect of our discussion. Zahid, you have a YouTube channel.
I do,
And
yeah.
you do a lot of motivational discussion on your channel. And I think that you are emerging through your channel as a role model.
Sorry, that's my
आप लोग
cats.
जो देख रहे हैं ये जाहिद की दो छोटी छोटी किटन्स हैं,
बिल्लियाँ
बहुत
हैं।
क्यूट, उछल रही हैं नीचे, लेकिन वो उन्होंने पीछे भी कारनामा किया है. So you're emerging as a role model for youth, for the awam who watch you and who your fans are. So how difficult is it to separate the persona? And I know that it's unfair to judge any actor by the roles that they do. But अब हमारा क्लाइमेट और लैंडस्केप ऐसा हो गया है कि हर एक्टर भी बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया एक किस्म का एक्टिविस्ट भी है इन हिज पर्सनल लाइफ. लोग कहते हैं कि जी यार आप लोग सोशल राइट्स पे बात कर रहे हैं, फिर जाके आप रोल्स ऐसे करते हैं जिसमें आप लोगों को दिखा रहे हैं कि अब्यूज़ कैसे करो अपने पावर को, और लड़कियों को अगवा कैसे करो और हरास कैसे करो, फिर आप जाके हाई हाई कर रहे हैं प्रोटेस्ट पे, तो हिपोक्रेसी है. How would, and I know it's wrong, I know that's not fair, but how do you see it? How complicated has it become now to maintain that persona in your personal life and professional life?
Yaar, the way I'll answer that is, and this is where my pursuit of finding myself through religion has brought me, is that nothing is final and nothing is definitive. So ये बहुत जज्बाती और एक jumping to conclusions वाली approach है कि अब तो आप religious हो गए, तो अब आप ये क्यों कर रहे हो? कुछ भी फाइनल नहीं है, सब जर्नी है, सब चल रहा है. अगर आज मैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में अल्लाह से करीब होना चाह रहा हूँ, अपने दीन को समझना चाह रहा हूँ, अपने सच को समझना चाह रहा हूँ, so that's a process that I've started, just like I start building a house. तो आप मुझे ये तो नहीं कहेंगे ना कि यार घर भी बना रहे हो, तुम फ्लैट में भी रह रहे हो, जब घर बन जाएगा तो बस उस घर में शिफ्ट हो जाना, अभी तुम सड़क पे बैठो, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा. सो माई करियर, माई क्राफ्ट विल ऑलवेज बी समथिंग इन पैरेलल, और उसके अंदर मैं कभी भी अपना मॉरल तराजू नहीं लेकर आ सकता. दैट्स व्हाट आई डू फॉर अ लिविंग. इफ अल्लाह ताला विल्स इट एंड आई फाइंड अनदर सोर्स ऑफ इनकम और मेरा पैशन एक्टिंग में ख़त्म हो जाता है, आई विल स्टॉप डूइंग इट. मैं किसी के लिए कोई फेवर तो नहीं कर रहा. आई एम नॉट obliged to be an actor. I actually love acting.
Yeah.
It's a craft that I actually love, despite anything. तो वो मैं करता रहूँगा, और अल्लाह की मर्जी से ही हो रहा है वो भी. अल्लाह की मर्जी के खिलाफ हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. So as far as your question about choice of roles and all of that goes, आज रेप हो रहे हैं पाकिस्तान में, हर बुरा काम हो रहा है. एक तरीका तो ये है कि इसके बारे में बात ना करो, एंड आंखें बंद करके कबूतर ये सोचे कि बिल्ली भाग जाएगी. और यही मेरे ख्याल से अप्रोच रही है पाकिस्तान की टूवर्ड्स इट्स सोसाइटल इश्यूज फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, व्हिच इज व्हाई नोबडी एड्रेसेस इट, nobody acknowledges it, and there's no solutions being provided. So through our dramas and characters, like I told you, this guy that I'm playing, I'm deliberately doing this. He's a scum of the earth. He's a horrible person. जो अपनी छोटी छोटी अपब्रिंगिंग की वजह से, खास तौर से जो मेरी माँ का कैरेक्टर है गुले राना, वो प्ले करे, she's doing a great job. Yeah, she's doing a great job.
So good.
So all her children are a product of wrong upbringing.
Right.
Driven by greed, driven by opportunity, और दुनिया 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 उसको सिखाई है कि इस तरह आपने चलना है, ये आपने करना है, और करते जाओ बेटा, इनकरेज करते हो. मेरी बहनें हैं उसमें, she encourages them कि भाई लड़कों से दोस्ती करो, कपड़े निकलवाओ, ये करो, वो करो.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So on one hand interesting stuff as well, मसाला वाला सब मिल गया, चैनल की भी रेटिंग वगैरह पूरी भी आ गई, and then a story that at least will be able to not cover up all these evils in society that you may.
That's important, right?
Yeah, instead of covering up, expose them.
Right.
And through those characters show the people कि उनकी journey end में फिर after all होगी क्या, और
end क्या conclusion क्या होगा?
absolutely, और end में मतलब I don't want to spoil the end.
Of course, no.
But this character's journey will tell you exactly कि ऐसे बंदे के साथ क्या होता है.
So as an actor, can you recognize when you're in a performance that मेरा role जो है वो मेरा character glorify किया जा रहा है, और या नहीं, या वाकई उसमें retribution public को नजर आएगी कि ये करोगे तो ऐसा होगा, या are people going to say, oh my God, इसको माफ कर दो, ये तो बहुत बहुत अच्छा है, हमें ये एक्टर बड़ा पसंद है. As we've seen over and over time, on different dramas, that people connect with the actor and they say, oh, we love this actor, इसके कैरेक्टर को यार माफ कर दो, ये नहीं, बुरा नहीं होना चाहिए.
If the audience is saying that because they love the actor, then the audience has been caught in a trap.
Right.
In a psychological trap in which they are biased.
Right.
और बिल्कुल पता लगता है हमें जब हमारे कोई अगर कैरेक्टर कोई गलत बात भी कर रहा है और ग्लोरीफाई किया जा रहा है. लेकिन अगेन उसमें this decision that whether the character's choices are your choices or not, it's nothing more than a matter of storytelling.
Right.
We're in a story, we're telling a story, and you may disagree with a lot of things that person is doing, you may agree to it. हाँ, आप as an actor moral decision ये ले सकते हैं that you read the whole thing and you say that यार I don't like the way this is concluded, this guy should be punished, ये गलत message देगा माशरे में, और इन्हीं parameters से I take my decisions, and I've taken this one as well. That's the most you can do.
Absolutely. And do you ever change the script?
All the time. All the time. Even in this, we made a lot of changes. हम पहले ही already इतना मैला खानदान दिखाया हमने.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's see, there you go. There you go. So you can't blame us.
No, of course not. Of course not.
लेकिन फिर भी इसमें कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी थीं जो करंट बैन्स को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए और
अभी
वैसे
तो
भी
it's become very tricky.
yeah, and it should be. I mean, I actually was presently surprised that, you know, there is some
Oh, you're pro-ban.
I'm not pro ban, but I am against, you know, देखो एक बहन अपनी बहनोई के साथ गलत इंटेंशन ना रखे, ये कोई नया लेसन आप दुनिया को नहीं देने लगे. दिस इज ह्यूमैनिटी 101, राइट? दिस इज बेसिक्स.
Yeah.
सो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट कि भाई अगर आप जैसे हमारा मेंटल डिसऑर्डर था या कोई जहाँ संगत था with me and Sabha Kama, we went into the mind of the rapist and never really talked about that. पहले victim की बात होती थी, culprit को कोई नहीं explore करता था कि क्यों है ये ऐसा. जो अब discussion चल रही है ना, ये rape culture पे बात हो रही है, तो we're looking at the fact is कि ये मर्द इनके साथ क्या है, इनकी अपब्रिंगिंग कैसी है, इनके अवेयरनेस लेवल कहाँ था, इनके why do they think it's okay? Why do they think it's just a physical act? उसके पीछे psychological trail क्या है, उनकी अपब्रिंगिंग क्या थी? So, I mean, what they're showing or what they wanted to show was nothing new and just for spice and just for getting, you know, that attention. For me, on an ethical grounds, that's not enough to just make a whole story on it and let's explore that. So, इस वाले मेरे play में भी एक दो track ऐसे थे जो again इसी तरह को spike कर रहे थे चीज़ों को. तो मी एंड द डायरेक्टर डिसाइडेड कि नहीं भाई इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है हमें. ओवरऑल स्टोरी काफ़ी है, ये पहले ही बहुत अच्छी अच्छी हरकतें कर रहा है, अब इसको किसी की बहन पे, खासतौर पे अपनी बीवी की बहन पे नजर रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Yeah.
I'm glad that people are rethinking scripts according. Not that I'm pro-ban and जो बना
No, I'm
रहा
not
है,
pro-ban either. I'm
yeah,
not
I
pro-ban
know.
either.
I know,
But
then
we
you
have to sometimes take note
draw a
के
line.
चाहते हुए ना चाहते हुए आपका मास जो है वो अपनी टीवी से अपनी सारी एजुकेशन एंटरटेनमेंट सब ले रहा
वो
है.
है.
मैं और आप उस खाते में नहीं आते. We have to realize this. We are the storytellers. We are the influencers. So this is influence at the end of the day. There must be some responsibility to it.
Winding up, your films, I mean, Love Story, and then there was a project that you announced with Sabha Kamar.
Yeah.
And then coronavirus happened and
Yeah.
the world shut down.
Yeah.
So uska kya future hai?
We have just been gotten contacted by the producer again
Okay, good.
of the Sabha Kamar star.
Right.
It's called Ghabrana Nahi Hai. Actually, I'm going into the meeting right after this interview.
Okay.
So they want to resume again. But Allah माफ करे ये फिर कोरोना का outbreak दोबारा नजर आ रहा है.
थोड़ा
So
spike
we
कर
don't
रहा है.
know. Cinema itself is such a tricky thing, ना. Opening for public and then there's sustainability कि अब वो चला सकेंगे या नहीं चला सकेंगे. आपने देखा होगा इजाज़तें सबको मिल गई थी महीना पहले. But no cinema is opened up because they can't sustain.
Yeah.
So अभी फिल्म शूट कर लेना, उसको अगले साल की रिलीज प्लान कर लेना, I think it's too in the air.
Right.
But we'll see. अगर करना है तो
see.
obviously, yeah.
Abhi, I think people are just trying to survive this year
Absolutely,
and
man.
get through
Absolutely.
it. And I'm just glad that dramas are back, at least on shoots, and you know people are working.
Yeah, we're trying. We're working in very tough conditions. और अब दोबारा outbreaks आ रही हैं तो it's very bleak. It's very sad.
It is. It is.
But we're still, you know, we're gung ho about it.
Right.
Let's
Right.
see, inshallah.
Great, like you said, dramas are our strength, and it's great that they're going places. I feel that they're being talked about all over the world. You have channels like Z5 opening up for Pakistani original content. So future is good, and I feel ये साल गुजर जाए, vaccine मिल जाए coronavirus का, तो things should boom again.
Inshallah, inshallah.
But you're a busy man, and thank you very much for taking time out. I
was
know
my
this was
pleasure.
very sudden, and it was
No.
all instigated by
It was
that.
actually quite, you know, less precarious as I thought it would be.
I think, I don't know, I mean, people are unnecessarily wary. I mean, ऐसी तो कोई बात नहीं, ऐसी कोई
No,
बात
but in
नहीं,
the
right?
start you said people should be wary of you.
No, I didn't say that. I said that people should be wary of all journalists because
Right.
nobody should be predictable. Nobody should think that, oh, you know, we've got this.
On that note, I would like to make a small, just a comment.
Sure.
Yeah, you and Hassan are a reviewing team. It's nice how you review the performances and the art because that is what is on display. It's the art, and whether it makes sense or not, and what your opinion is. Apne personal opinion, I'm not pointing fingers at you and you, just the
I
two
feel
of
that
you.
there's a but after that sentence. Let's get to the
I'm
but.
saying that this reviewing culture is also picking up, right? We see a
Right.
lot of other people
Right.
reviewing as well. So usme just bear in mind that the art is what is on display and that's what is being criticized. And usme har kisam ka criticism is welcome. But you know, there's a thin line as well where artists and remarks on them personally, not the one you made. I'm talking about a completely different reviewing team altogether.
Right.
तो वो एक लाइन ड्रॉ होनी चाहिए दैट आप सिर्फ उस ड्रामे, उनकी परफॉर्मेंसेस और उनके कैरेक्टर्स पे बात करें. हमारे भी दिल हैं और हमारे भी जज्बात हैं और वो कभी-कभी दुख सकते हैं.
दुख सकते हैं और दुखते भी हैं. Having said that, it is a free world. People, it is the platforms
Listen,
are free, content is free.
But the way I look at it, it should be an all-inclusive thing.
Right.
We're making dramas, and you're talking about them. The moment we don't make dramas,
Yeah.
So you're part of that supply chain.
Absolutely.
So instead
Absolutely.
of disgruntling people on a personal level, let's push each other to be better professionals.
Right.
You know, you better at reviewing, us better at performing.
Of course.
That's, I think, the way forward instead of.
But you need to say something
Instead of-
about us. About, I mean, you can say criticism in the
Your
air.
team is still much better. That's what I'm saying. Your team is still much better.
So gracious.
Yeah. And I don't want to name the other lot, लेकिन you know कि हाय ये क्या होता है, ये क्या कर रही है, अल्लाह माफ करे. It's just let's not be crass about anything, you know. बहुत मुश्किल से हम एक crass पंजाबी सिनेमा और आर्टिस्ट के साथ हमेशा एक crass चीज associated रही है. उस crassness में से मेरे ख्याल से अब हम
But Zahid,
बाहर आ
nahin,
रहे हैं.
I would disagree with you because there's an audience for
You
everything.
think we should be crass?
No, I'm saying there's an audience for everything. There's an audience for a refined actor like Amitabh Bachchan, and there's also an audience for a Govinda. And they've also appeared together in films, and they're poles apart.
So you're saying there's an audience for crass reviewers as well.
Totally.
Right.
There's
That Urdu side of YouTube where everything is.
I don't want to
Like-
categorize it, but I think that whatever the layman,
Let me categorize it. I spoke to Ifat in her interview,
Right.
and I'm very happy that message was spread across a lot, where I talked about my experience with drugs and all. और उसकी मुझे एक दोस्तों ने दिखाई. उसका एक वर्जन एग्जिस्ट करता है YouTube पे जहाँ पे वो उर्दू थंबनेल्स हैं और उर्दू कैप्शंस हैं. I don't know where those channels originate from. और मेरी पूरी it was an anti-drug campaign.
right.
और उसका टाइटल था जाहिद अहमद नशे की आखिरी हद तक. So let's not go there.
But Zahid, I still think our media is very, very kind. If anywhere else in the world, especially in India, even in Hollywood, I mean, the paparazzi culture is invasive. It's intrusive, it's destructive. हम लोग बहुत हदें नहीं पार करते. हम लोगों की पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स पे बात नहीं करते. लोगों की
Really?
आफ्टर 8 PM एक्टिविटीज़ पे नहीं कमेंट करते. लोगों की पर्सनल लाइफ्स पे कमेंट नहीं करते. उनके मॉरल उस पर कमेंट नहीं करते. सिर्फ क्राफ्ट पे ही कर रहे हैं ना. अब क्राफ्ट पे रिफाइंड तरीके से करें या क्रैश तरीके से करें. A reviewer will also say what the audience wants to hear. And एक layman
What the
अपने घर
audience
में
wants
बैठ
to
के,
hear. Okay.
right? And a layman
I
will
don't know.
talk, and
I
that's
mean,
a
I've-
language that most people understand. So I think it's unfair to say कि इस तरह जिस तरह it's unfair for a critic to say कि इस actor को ऐसे रोल करने चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं करने चाहिए.
So that's exactly what I'm saying, you know. Personal पे उसके ऊपर ना हो, उस एक्टर की उस वक्त का कैरेक्टर और उसकी परफॉर्मेंस पे आप जरूर बात करें. Don't isolate the person because he is not just that character. He's going to do 10 other things as
So
well.
it comes back to the point that I don't think that you can separate the two, because when you talk about an actor's performance, it's personal. It's personal. If I look at an actor on television और मैं ये कहूँ कि यार इसको एक्टिंग नहीं आती.
देखिए मैं सिर्फ इस तरह की रिमार्क्स की बात कर रहा हूँ जहाँ पे अगर किसी लड़की को लेके ये बात की जा रही है कि ये अपनी गंदी जैसी शक्ल लेके आ गई है और ऐसा मुंह करके मुंह बना रही है.
अच्छा ऐसे कोई नहीं करता.
अच्छा ओके ठीक है. Let's agree to disagree then.
Let's agree to disagree. शायद आपने
Yeah.
ऐसी बातें सुनी हैं जो मैंने नहीं सुनी.
हाँ ये मेरी गलती है वाकई में.
आपको ऐसी बातें सुननी नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ.
मैंने कम से कम ऐसी बातें नहीं की. But
Because I actually do try to spend as less time on social media as possible.
right. I think that is the key to sanity is to
Absolutely,
not,
yeah,
to not
absolutely,
be,
yeah, you know.
to be social media free as much as you
Yeah.
can, absolutely. But good luck with your projects.
Thank you very
And
much.
again, I mean, it's always a pleasure to talk to you.
Same here.
It's
yeah.
always a pleasure to see you on screen because, as I said, there are expectations from certain actors that they will take on roles that are, if not responsible, then at least at some level they will connect with the viewer.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going to happen with the anti-hero you're playing now, but I'm sure that
That's
he's
why
not-
it's a disclaimer. You will hate this guy.
That's okay. Hating is
And,
good.
yeah.
We have a record of hating, of loving bad guys, by the way.
We do,
We
yeah.
do, yeah. So, I
but
mean-
in this performance, I have deliberately tried to push him to that limit where nobody has sympathy for him. Because इस तरह के बंदे के साथ नहीं होनी चाहिए. If I still get sympathy for this performance, I don't know what I'm going to do.
फिर Zahid, let's make a commitment के 10 episodes into your next drama.
We'll have this again.
We will meet again.
Oh, Lord.
And we will talk about how the public is responding to this anti-hero.
Inshallah.
ठीक है? Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
And inshallah next time then.